Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm unboxing another haul. This one is from Cnfans, but yeah, I think it's like a 4kg, something like that. My experience is pretty good. Like, it's like they gave me QC pictures. It was really fast. I like it. It's definitely up there with Panda Buy and stuff, so it's definitely a good competitor. But I'm just gonna take all this stuff out the box. See, I already opened this package earlier because I just saved the time from unboxing it right now, but I just haven't looked at anything yet, so let's just lay it all out. So this has like 6 items, I think, in it. 6 items, but like the first item, it came in like a little bag, but I took it off. Or yeah, but it's just chrome hearts. This heart, as you can see here, some chrome hearts, like logos. This beaded bracelet. I don't know how well you can see that, but basically, I don't know. I had like $2 left, and these like, they got two, or like 2 kinds, but like these were like 50 cents, so I just got them. But yeah, for the next, more jewelry. I don't know what the chain thing is in there. They just gave me it for free. I don't know why. Maybe I was like their 10th customer. Is this a necklace? Yeah, I guess this is a necklace or a chain or whatever. It's like weird. But yeah, I got a ring. I don't know. I just got a random one. I just be making purchases. I don't even know what they are. But good quality though. Like this is like $2, I think. Very good quality. I don't know why. It didn't fit. Dang, this is like so thin though. Like this like just weird. I don't wear rings at all. I don't wear rings at all. I don't even wear these, but if you wear rings. We're already done with 2 items. This is gonna be a pretty fast video, but this right here is a micro brick. It's off-brand Lego. I heard these are really hard to build, like super hard. Let me open this right now. Okay. Oh, this instructions is huge. I think. I heard these are insanely hard to build. Like all these tiny little bricks. Like it's crazy to build. So I guess that's something to yeah. But this is a cause, as you can see, like this cause dude. I don't know. They had a huge bunch of it. And by the way, everything you see in here will be in the spreadsheet down below. I don't know what line though, so you have to go look for that. The spreadsheet's huge. If you can't find it, go to my Discord, DM me or ask him where to cop, and I'll answer you. So that's the third item. This item is a Playboy Cardi phone case with like the Playboy Cardi license in the back. I mean, it's good quality and all, but like why is there like corners on here? Like they could have cut it out at least. But nah, ID looks fine, I guess. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Ruka Zo-City, like dang. Jordan Terrell Carter, his name, date of birth, you know, everything that would be in an ID. So here's my first main item. It's an article of clothing. Gallery Dept. And this is a paint splatter shirt. So it's like something interesting. But as you can see, let's take a close-up at the paint splatter. It feels exactly like paint, bro. It actually feels exactly like paint. It's so weird. Cause like, how do they even do this? Like, I know it's not real paint, obviously, but it's some type of ink. And at the bottom, you can see some distressing. They got distressing. Like this was like $30, so I knew it was gonna be perfect quality. It's probably even 1-to-1. Like I could sell this if I wanted to. Cause this is huge. I'm telling you, this is huge. So I think this is the first-hand 1-year anniversary. This is the Tokyo. Yeah, this is the Tokyo one, as you can see. But the quality on the shirt is perfect. I'm not gonna lie, it's perfect. So Gallery Dept tag, perfect. Gallery Dept actual tag. I mean, it's literally everything. So I have nothing wrong with this. This is nice. I don't know if it's gonna be in the spreadsheet though, because I'll be adding like stuff to there. So on to the last item. I haven't looked at this yet. Just so you know, my mom was the one that opened the package. She said, "I saw you had a package," and I'm like, "Yeah." She said, "I like the hoodie in there." So this is a mom approved. So that was also why the package was open. But yeah. So this is a Broken Planet hoodie. It says trapped in time. Has a little skeleton man down there. Trapped in time. And then the back of it, No Way Back with like another skeleton, like the other half of the skeleton man. So I think that's pretty cool. Like, isn't like, instead of just getting boring Nike hoodies with like just a hoodie with their name on it, a brand name on it, it's cool to get some stuff with actual like, you know, designs on it. So instead of paying $30 for a hoodie with just the name right here, you can get something cooler, you know. But it has these like little sparkles all over the shirt. Yeah, it's just Brooklyn Planet. I love Brooklyn Planet. It's not that popular though. Like, I thought it'd be more popular because these just designs like that. They have some pretty cool designs. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think the sleeves have anything, but yeah, Brooklyn Planet hoodie. Trapped in Time. The back of it. No Way Back. Some of the designs be like corny though. It'd be like finding true love, or true love hurts, or broken hearts. But like, they have some cool designs in there. So yeah. Also, their stuff is like pretty oversized. This right here, I'm telling you, only buy from Hot Dog. It's a seller that sells Brooklyn Planet, but he sells the best Brooklyn Planet. And you know he has good Brooklyn Planet when that's all he sells. All he sells is Brooklyn Planet. So he specializes in it. This shirt, yeah, it doesn't have pockets. I don't really care. But material is pretty good. It's not like a thick hoodie. It's pretty thin, on the thinner side. But like, I can already tell it's gonna be comfy. But yeah, this is my 4kg haul. My overall review with Cnfans is pretty good. Like, it was just like a basic, like, it was good. Like, this is like a basic standard one, like agent that you can use. You can always rely on, trust. Like, because Panda Buy, Haggle Buy, they be having some mishaps sometimes. Like, Haggle Buy sucks. It doesn't suck, okay, but the shipping sucks. Haggle Buy's fine, but the shipping sucks. Panda Buy, they always be having their stuff get seized. Like, they always have stuff get seized in there. But Cnfans, like, I've only heard positive reviews from them, and I'm not biased just because they sent me this. Like, I actually used it before, so yeah. Although my first ever agent I used was Sugar Goo. So if you use Sugar Goo, shout out to you, because that's the OG. Not much people be using that no more. But yeah, so this is the haul. Pretty basic haul. And yeah, if you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. I just hit 500 subscribers at the time of recording this video. That's pretty cool. I never expected to actually, like, I was just gonna post one video and like see what happens. But now I'm here with almost 100 videos. It's crazy. I got a whole shoe collection and stuff now, and yeah, never thought of it. So thank you guys for watching. Without you guys watching, which I don't have any like fans, but like the viewers, anyone that views this, without you watching, I wouldn't have none of this. So yeah, thank you very much, and yeah, peace.